Howdy partners! Get ready for some real good eating with these slow cooker BBQ chicken drumsticks. This recipe is so easy, even a city slicker can make it. Tender chicken falls right off the bone. The BBQ sauce? Oh, it's divine. Tangy, sweet, and smoky. It'll have you licking your fingers clean. Trust me, this recipe is a keeper. Let's get cooking, y'all. You only need a few simple things to make this scrumptious meal. Here's what we're gonna round up. Chicken drumsticks, you'll need about 2 pounds, enough to feed the whole family. BBQ sauce, use your favorite store-bought kind or whip up a batch of your own. Apple cider vinegar, a splash adds a nice tang. Brown sugar, just a touch to balance the flavors. Salt and pepper, season it up. Now comes the fun part. Let's get the show on the road. Grab your trusty slow cooker and toss in those chicken drumsticks. In a bowl, mix together your BBQ sauce, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Pour that delicious mixture all over the chicken. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Now put that lid on and let it cook. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. Once the chicken is tender and falling off the bone, it's time to eat. Grab those forks and dig in. You can serve these BBQ chicken drumsticks with some creamy coleslaw, baked beans, and cornbread. Want a thicker sauce? No problem. Just scoop out some of the sauce from the slow cooker and simmer it on the stovetop until it reaches the desired thickness. There you have it, a simple and satisfying meal that'll have everyone hollering for more.